welcome back to our channel again. This is the company we have on us. Today we're going to be making Italian style pizza. So, you need 620 grams strong white flour. Add 3 teaspoons of salt. I got it in a measuring jug. Mix it using a whisk. We're going to set it aside, and then we're going to take a giant mixing bowl, it is giant, and add 370 grams room temperature water, and add 3 grams dried yeast. And now we're going to mix using a whisk, well, a different whisk. Try scraping it off the sides because they could stick easily. The yeast can stick easily to the sides. And I'm gonna put that here. And now we're gonna add our flour with salt into the mixture. So we're going to use our mixer. We're going to go to the mode of mixing the dough. And then it's going to start mixing forward. While the dough is proving, we're going for a walk with my 2 dogs. Lisa over there, my dog Lisa over there, and Sunny over here. Really puffy. So we have microphone problems at the moment. So yeah, we're going to split the dough into 4 quarters, and then we're going to start making the tomato paste. So I'm still waiting for the video to kind of go on to the tomato paste bit. Still waiting. Oh, so we're gonna cover them with a towel and take only one. Make it into a perfect pizza shape. Add some tomatoes, some salt, and some olive oil to make the tomato paste to go on to our pizza. But one thing, make sure you don't add too much salt because then it will become too salty and you're going to have to add another 2 packets of tomatoes like we needed to do behind the scenes. My friend from school, he's probably going to say that this video makes no sense because in the last video I said some egg and he said it barely makes any sense. So hopefully this makes sense to you. And we're going to carry on with our video. Now we're putting it in the oven. And I'm going to eat pizza. Because everyone knows you're going to eat pizza. So, the pizza looks delicious. It just looks amazing. Don't forget to subscribe down below and like it. It's delicious. So good.